Hello and welcome to My Safety Hub. We're here at the Fire Expo at AOSH at Gallagher Convention Centre. I'm joined here today with
Andrew Brink.
Hi Andrew, pleasure to meet you, Andrew.
Thank you. I'm with my company, it's called Gas at Site.
All right.
And we're in conjunction with ISOCEL from Italy.
Okay.
And we offer the N2ORS oxygen reduction system, which is a solution for preventing fires.
Okay.
So this is fire prevention.
All right.
It's not fire suppression.
Okay.
And the way we do it is we reduce the oxygen in the area where we need to protect, and we bring it down to 15%.
Okay.
And we control it to human safety standards, so you can actually live in this room for 8 hours, not an issue.
All right.
But a fire will not start. Fires require 15% oxygen to actually sustain. So here we've got 21% oxygen around us, and it's burning. So I'm going to give this to you just now.
Right, fantastic.
And we're going to go into the room, and we're going to demonstrate that under low oxygen conditions, a fire will not start.
Interesting.
So follow me.
Let's go.
In. So here we've got 14.9% at the moment, and this oxygen level is being managed by this nitrogen generator, which is taking the air that we breathe, separating the oxygen from the nitrogen, and we're putting the nitrogen into the room, this little pipe, and it's going into the room.
Awesome.
And our oxygen is now at 14.9%. Please light the fire, so you know that works. And now follow me into the room.
Thank you.
Okay, so the smell you're smelling here is actually the paint that we use to seal the room.
Sure.
You won't smell anything in a room where you've got 15% oxygen. Okay. What you have what you need for a fire is three things. You need oxygen, you need a heat source, and you need fuel. Okay. So in this lighter here, you've got fuel.
Sure.
You've got a heat source, but there is no oxygen.
Okay.
So try and light the fire. Okay, so it won't start. So this is fire prevention.
Oh, that's great.
Rather than fire suppression.
And prevention is better than cure, I always say.
Prevention is better than cure, indeed.
Of course.
So here you see that the nitrogen is coming through these four nozzles into the room.
Fantastic.
And we're measuring the oxygen here because human life is very valuable, of course. And we don't want to go below our set point. So the computer will tell and monitor actively, continuously the level that we set up, typically at 15% oxygen.
Fantastic.
So you can be in this room for 8 hours.
All right, and that's completely safe for us as humans.
Yeah. So you can come in, so you've operated the forklifts, etc., in a big freezer room in a protected space. Guys can come in, come out, and they're perfectly safe, but a fire will not start.
Fantastic. So obviously we are in quite a small enclosed space over here. What is the total, how can I say, square meterage that you can go up to in this prevention?
That's a fantastic question. So we can go as big as you like.
Okay. All right.
So a typical application is a freezer room.
Yes.
2,000 cubic meters of space.
Okay.
You might have racking, automated racking.
Yes.
So, typically it's difficult to install fire suppression in these big installations because you can't get the nozzles to actually inject the water where you want in case of fire, as an example. But with this system, you just have a controlled atmosphere, 15%, and every nook and cranny is, you will not get a fire started.
That's
so
awesome.
All you have to do really is to design the size of the nitrogen generators to make sure that you can maintain this level.
This level, fantastic.
Yeah.
All right.
Right, thank you for taking the time.
Thank you very much, Minnie. And then just a last question for the viewers. If they would like to make contact with you to install a fire suppression system like this, where could they get involved?
Certainly, you can see us on our webpage, www.gasatsite.com. Will be the easiest. Or you can take our card and you can put it in your video.
Awesomeness. And remember, for the viewers out there, prevention is better than cure. Alan, thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for your time.
I appreciate it. Thank you.